Hi, it's Greta from Attention Insight. Here we have a landing page on Figma platform. We will find out how the user attention is distributed in the design according to Attention Insight, and we'll learn how to improve a design by adjusting the distance between objects. Select the artboard, click Plugins, Attention Insight, Analyze Design. Now we have a heat map. The clarity score is 71%. According to the heat map, we can see that the most attention goes to the photograph of the woman and the text. Now we can look at more detailed results by pressing Get More Insights. This brings us to the Attention Insight app, where we can select elements by drawing areas of interest. We will select the heading, page title, the text, and the picture of a woman. Now we can see the percentage of attention of each element. According to the heat map, the attention is spread unevenly. The visual hierarchy is not clear, as well as the way the user's attention should navigate in the design. Let's go back to Figma platform. Here we will duplicate the artboard. In this design, the elements are very spread out, and it is not clear what belongs where. We can change all that. I will switch on the column grid as well as 8 pixels grid, according to the rule of 8 that I had saved from earlier. Let's adjust the distance of the elements. The closer elements are to each other, the more the user links them together. This helps a user to focus more and to motivate them to read that information. The eye scanning of a design will be much more intuitive, and the design clearer and more attractive. Our intention is to increase the readability of the design. First, I will make some changes in the title. I will minimize the letter spacing or tracking. I will also change the letter case from capital to original case. What is more, I will change the black title color to its softer tone and will align it to the left-hand side. Then, I will move to the text section and will adjust the spacing and the text color according to the title. To harmonize the section, I will align them both, adjust the line height and the gap in between. For the CTA button, I will leave the color intensity as it is, so it stands out a little more from the rest. I will also align everything to 128 pixels from the top. For the cause of a good balance, we can align and distribute elements, so they are more centered and so the asymmetrical balance is more effortless to read. Again, I will adjust the gaps and width of the text and will align the scroll down button with the right side of the text and slightly move it up. Let's test the edited version. Looking at the heat map, we can see that more focus goes to the photograph because, according to human psychology, a human eye is naturally drawn to something familiar. The focus is evenly distributed and concentrated, which improves the design. In the Attention Insight app, let's see both designs and compare. Select the elements and create a new comparison. Here we can see that clarity score has stayed the same. More focus goes to the title, 6.3% higher. The text percentage of attention slightly decreased, however, the focus is more linked between the elements. So 2% don't have much influence to design's readability. CTA button focus increased. It's positive, and it's what our goal was. The percentage of attention of the photo slightly decreased, which is also good, as more balance is now between the content, and it will not cover the information which is important and which we want the user to read through. The percentage of attention of the scroll down button increased by almost 2%. Since the title, the text, and the CTA button belong to one category, minimizing gaps between them and aligning them one after the other creates a feeling that the elements are linked together. The balance between two segments, the text content and the photograph, gained a better result. The user view is more concentrated, and the motivation to read everything is higher. This means that the probability that the user will press CTA button is higher too. All in all, the design looks clear, more attractive, and the readability has improved. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next videos.